morning, students. Welcome to online class of AECS School number 4, Rawatbata. I am your English teacher and I am going to teach you unit first, that is poem Ice Cream Man. Before going to teach you, I give you a puzzle and you have to just guess the name of it. A thing that is cold, creamy, sweet, and children often to like it in summer days.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Very good. And can you tell me, in your area of only, who brings or sell ice cream?
Ice cream man.
Ice cream man. So today our chapter name is also Ice Cream Man. Can you tell me which brand of ice cream do you like to eat?
I like ice cream. I like butterscotch.
Okay. So vanilla, butterscotch are the varieties, means these are the flavor of ice cream. I am talking about brand.
Vanilla.
Very good.
Amul.
Amul. So Amul, Mother Dairy, and Vanilla are the brand of ice cream that is available in your area. And I know that all of you like to eat ice cream on a hot summer days. But remember, don't eat too much ice cream as it cause harmful to you. So come to the point, and I am going to recite this poem. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little car goes trundling down the street. Along with reciting the poem, I am also going to write some word meanings. So students, please note down these word meanings in your notebook. So, in the first stanza, it is a scene of city on a hot summer days. And on a hot summer days, we feel that all the things, even the bricks, the wall, got heat, and if we touch these bricks, walls, and anything, it feels like that they produce heat. So, on those days, when we see an ice cream man car, then we feel very good. Do you?
Yes.
Why?
Because it is cold.
Because it is cold, and on a hot summer days, we are too much means we also feel means hot. We touch anything, it produces heat, so we want some cold things. And the cold thing that is available in our area is ice cream. So on seeing the ice cream man car, we feel very good. So in the first stanza, the poet tells us it is a scene of a city of a hot summer days, and the children feel very happy on seeing the ice cream man car when the ice cream man car goes trundling down the street, means moving down the street. Then the first word is trundling, that means moving on a small road wheels. So it is related with the motion of the wheels of ice cream man cart. Now moving to the second stanza, beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. In the second stanza, we have seen that ice cream man cart has an umbrella that is fixed on his cart. Do you see that scene was looking very fantastic, very beautiful. I think you also enjoyed that scene.
Yes, sir.
And we have seen that ice cream man is standing at his cart and he filled the cones. Do you know the shape of the cones? You have the shape of the cones like this.
Like birthday cat.
Yes, very good. Like birthday cat. And the ice cream man filled this cone with heap of what? Brown and white chocolates, creamy things. Okay? So again there is a word mound. Note down this word mound, M-O-U-N-D. Mound means pile. Do you know piles of papers? It is a collective noun. Okay? Now, in the third stanza, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. And ice cream man has put not only the cones but also he has some drinks. And you have, do you have some drinks in on a hot summer days? Do you have enjoyed some drinks on a hot summer days?
Yes, sir.
Which type of drinks?
Sir, I like shikanji.
Sikanji, very good. Sikanji. That is called in English frosty fizz. Okay? When you drink sikanji, that is called frosty fizz, it produces a bubbling sound.
Yes, sir.
It produces a bubbling sound. So write down the third word. I am going to erase these things. Write down the third word. So our third word is frosty fizz. F-R-O-S-T-Y F-I-Z-Z. Okay. So it means a chilled drink that produce which type of sound? Can you tell me? Bubbling sound. Bubbling sound. And you heard this name in Hindi, sikanji. When you drink sikanji, it produces a bubbling sound. Okay? So ice cream man has not only cones, but he has also brought some frosty fizz. It is a type of drink. When you drink this frosty fizz, then it produces a bubbling sound. Okay? So children also like to have this frosty fizz, and it is of different colors like green, orange, pink, white, and many more. Okay. Now see the last stanza. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honeybee. In the last stanza, the poet compare the ice cream man cart with a flower bed of roses, and the way in which the children gathered around, means make a group near the ice cream man cart, is compared with honeybees. Why the poet compared these things? Because we have seen that in a hive, a swarm of bees gather round. In the same way, the poet also see these things, that the children gather round around the ice cream man cart like a swarm of honeybees, and the ice cream man cart looks like a flower bed of rose and sweet peas. Okay, so we have completed our poem, and yes, students, you have to recite this poem 4 to 5 times with correct pronunciation. Now coming to the second one, that is the most important part of poem, rhyming words. Now we have to find some rhyming words from our poem. The first word is heat. Heat. Can you tell me the rhyming word of heat is? It is given in your book. That is street. S-T-R-E-E-T. It is given in your book. The second word is sight. The second word is sight. S-I-G-H-T. Sight means vision. When you see a thing, that is called sight. Sight. So the rhyming word of sight is right. Might. Very good. Right. And don't be confused that the rhyming word of a word is not fixed. The rhyming word of a word is 3, 4 and many more. Okay. So right, might, white, very good. Light. Okay. So it can be more also. Okay. Then the third word is from your poem is yes, there is a word that is peas. So the rhyming word of peas is bees. Students, I have written 3 rhyming words, and you have to find some more rhyming words from your poem. And also, I am going to give you a writing homework, that write a short notes on your favorite ice cream and also draw a picture. So I hope all of you have enjoyed this lesson with me. Thank you.